Good morning, students, and welcome to your video walkthrough for the week of March 15th. If you go to Schoology and you select week of 315 poetry films, and then you select the Read First document, you will see that the work that's due for our first class of the week is your haiku film, and that you have 25% of your poem memorized. And then our first class of the week, we will have our haiku film festival. And then the afternoon for our first class of the week is optional. This week, you'll be working on an individual film of the poem you are memorizing. And then you are also going to be memorizing your poem this week. And I want you to finish reading your book of poetry or your novel in verse, and you're going to bring a poem from that to our second class of the week. As always, my office hours are on Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You have the link in Schoology. You also have the link in Outlook. You're welcome to drop by anytime. I'm happy to help you. For our second class of the week, I would like you to have your 50% of your poem memorized. And that means that maybe you have half of it memorized, or maybe you have the whole thing memorized quasi. It's really up to you what that looks like. I just want you to be able to work on it, and that there will be some progression from earlier in the week. You're also going to bring a poem to share. On the second class of the week, we're going to be having a poetry discussion of those poems that you're bringing to share. So be prepared to bring the poem, but also why you chose that poem. There's no wrong answer to that. It's just your opinion. Also, for the afternoon, you will have I'll be giving support around how to memorize poems, and then you'll continue to work on your individual film. That will be due at the beginning of next week, our first class of next week. A couple of things to note. The assignment descriptions are right here. You're going to complete your poetry book. You're going to make your individual poetry film, and you're going to memorize your, put that here, and you're going to memorize 50% of your poem. If you go to OneNote and to the content library, into resources, you're going to see two more videos I made you. One is how to make an Animoto, and this is a step-by-step walkthrough on how to make an Animoto, including 3 examples and the grades I would give those. The other thing is how to make a PowerPoint film. So this is a short video on how to set up PowerPoint so that you have the voiceover, you have the music, it automatically transitions from slide to slide, the music automatically goes through the whole thing, and then you can export it as a video. I look forward to working with you this week. I hope that's been helpful, and thank you very much.